Сәлем достар. Бүгін маған тағы да дит келді. Және де өзімен бір сыйлық алып келді, қараңыздар. Қазір жеп көреміз. What is this?
This is a chickpea salad, my version.
Chickpea salad.
Slightly Indianized because I put Indian dressing in this. It's sort of a chana chaat.
Chana chaat.
Right.
This name is chana chaat?
This
Chana
one
chaat.
is this one. Chickpea we call chana.
Chickpea. Garoqta.
This is
Chana degan Үндіше. In English, chickpea.
Yes. And we call
Cucumber, onion, red onion.
yes, and tomatoes.
And tomatoes. And what is this?
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah, just to make it more healthy.
Quinoa деген ішінде бұрыштар бар андай.
And then I
Тары
put
сияқты түріне қарасаң.
salt and lemon and little bit of green chutney.
Oh, green chutney.
Yeah.
Ne?
Right.
Right.
How's it? You like it?
Very
Is it
much.
spicy for you?
A little bit spicy, but good.
Good.
Thank you.
I ate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I finished.